Hello guys, this is Neha. Welcome to the third lesson of the series of sets. In our last lesson, we talked about empty set, singleton set, finite and infinite set. This lesson is in continuation to the last lesson, types of sets. Here we will learn about equal and equivalent sets, the difference between the two sets, and also we will see what is cardinal number of a set. So, let's start with equal sets. When are two sets said to be equal? Two sets are equal when they have exactly the same elements. Let's consider A and B to be two sets. We can see both the sets A and B have exactly the same four elements. So, the set A is equal to set B. We write it as A is equal to B. Also, as long as the elements in the set are the same, the order doesn't matter. Now let's look at the two sets C and D. Set C consists of 1, 2, 3 and 4 as its elements. Set D consists of 1, 2 and 3 as its elements. Now, if we observe, we can see both the sets have 1, 2 and 3 as its elements, but set C also has 4, which set D does not have. This means set C is not equal to set D. Before discussing the next type of set, let's see what is cardinal number of a set. The number of distinct elements in a given set A is called the cardinal number of A. Let us consider a set A with 1, 2, 3 until 9 as its elements. How many elements does this set have? After counting, we get the number of element in set A is 9. The phrase number of elements in a set is called as cardinal number and is represented as this. And then the name of the set within brackets. Okay, here's another set B with 3 elements S, E and T. So the number of elements in this case is 3. That is, the cardinal number of set B is 3. Now let's see what are equivalent set. Two sets A and B are said to be equivalent if their cardinal number is same. Let's consider two sets A and B with 1, 2 and 3 as elements of A and 4, 5, 6 as elements of B. Both the sets have the same number of elements. The cardinal number for both the set is 3. Hence, the two sets A and B are equivalent. Let's see common differences between the equal and equivalent sets. Firstly, two sets are said to be equal if all the elements of both the sets are same, whereas two sets are equivalent if the number of elements of both the sets is same. Secondly, number of elements same of both the sets in case of equal sets and same in both the sets in case of equivalent sets. Thirdly, elements should be same in case of equal sets, whereas in case of equivalent sets, elements need not be same always. Symbol. This sign is used to denote equal sets, whereas this sign is used to denote equivalent sets. All equal sets are equivalent, whereas all equivalent sets may not be equal. All equal sets are equivalent, but all equivalent sets may not be equal. Let's understand this statement. The first case, equal and equivalent both. Let's consider two sets A and B. A with the elements 11, 22 and 33. B with the elements 22, 11 and 33. Both the sets have exactly same elements. That is, same number of elements, same elements. Hence, the two sets are equal as well as equivalent. Let's see the next case. Neither equal nor equivalent. Again, let's consider set C and set D. Set C has the elements 10, 20, 30 and 40. Set D with the elements 10 and 20. Both the sets have different number of elements. Hence, they are neither equal nor equivalent. Let's see the third case. Equivalent but not equal. Here, again let's consider two sets. A constitutes of the elements P, L, A, N and E. B with the elements P, L, A, I, N. Both the sets have the same number of elements, that is 5. But the elements are different. Hence, the two sets A and B are equivalent but not equal. So, all equal sets are equivalent, but all equivalent sets may not be equal. Now, let's see some questions related to equal and equivalent sets. Are the following pair of sets equal? Here, we have 3 pair of sets and we need to find whether they are equal or not. You can pause the video and try to solve it. Now, let's see the answers. Set A and set B. Set A has the elements 2 and 3. And in case of set B, the set of all x such that x is a solution of x square plus 5x plus 6 is equal to 0. Here, set B has two elements, minus 3 and minus 2, which are not the same as set A. Therefore, this pair of sets are not equal. Now let's see the next pair of sets, set C and set D. Set C, the set of all x such that x is a letter in the word better. And set D, x such that x is a letter in the word better. Now, this set better and better. Set C and set D have the same number of elements, but the elements are different. Hence, they are not equal. Now let's see the third pair of set. Set E has 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10 as its elements. Set F, the set of all x such that x is a positive even integer and x is less than equal to 10, which again has the elements 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10. Therefore, set E and set F are equal. So the next question is, write the cardinal number for each of the following. Again, pause the video, list the elements of the set and then find the cardinal number. Let's see the answer in the next slide. X, the set of letters in the word calligraphy. The set X has the elements C, A, L, I, G, R, P, H and Y. Number of elements in set X is 9. Y, the set of all x such that x is a hexagon having 7 sides. We doesn't have any hexagon with 7 sides. Therefore, the number of elements in set Y is 0. Z, the set of all x such that x is a 2-digit number such that the sum of the digit is 6. We have 6 such numbers. Therefore, the number of elements in set Z is 6. Now let's move to the next question. From the sets given below, select equal sets. Here we have 8 sets and we need to find the equal sets. Again, pause the video and try to find the equal sets. And we'll see the answers in the next slide. Now let's see the answers. So, from the given sets, we have 2 equal sets. They are B and D. and ENG as they have the same elements. Now let's move to the last question of this lesson. Which of the following pairs of sets are equivalent or equal? Pause the video and find the answers. Let's see the answers now. Set A and set B have the same number of elements, but the elements are not exactly the same. Therefore, set A and B are equivalent but not equal. Now let's move to the second pair of sets. Set C and set D. Again, they have the same number of elements, but the elements are different. Therefore, set C and set D are equivalent but not equal. Now let's move to the third pair of sets. Set U and set V. Both have the same number of elements, exactly the same elements. Hence, set U and set B are equal and equivalent. Hope you have understood this lesson. This brings us to the end of this lesson, and in the next lesson we will learn about subsets, universal set and power set. Thank you.